Hi, hello. Welcome back, the Urban Cook. What I'm going to do today is chicken Afritada. Afritada? I think that's how you say it. I'll probably get slaughtered for that anyway. But anyway, so basically what I've got is some chicken. Chicken thighs. These have got skins on. These are coming off. So I'm going to sort them out in a minute. And I've got some hot dogs. I've got some chopped tomatoes and some tomato ketchup to make up tomato sauce, salt and pepper, chicken stock, olive oil, potatoes, white onion, red pepper. Me and my partner don't like peas, so I'm using snap peas, and some bay leaves and some garlic. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to get this lot cut up and I'll bring you back in a minute. Okay, so I'm back, and as usual I don't write nothing down, so carrots as well, I've forgotten, so I'll see you in a minute. Okay, so we're back. So what I've done, mixed up the chopped tomatoes with some tomato ketchup for our sauce. Got our chicken stock, got our chicken, which is I peeled the skins off. We have snap peas chopped, garlic, white onions, red pepper chopped, some bay leaves, potatoes, carrots and hot dogs, salt and pepper and a bit of olive oil. So what we'll do, we'll get cracking and we'll bring you back. See you in a minute. Okay, so what we've got, going to get some, get the heat on. So what I'm going to do is just going to sear this chicken a little bit. Just get a little bit of olive oil. Just get our chicken. And just get this. Just get a little bit of colour on it. Probably just going to cook in the other pan when I get to it. So I'll bring you back when that's done. Okay, so now the chicken's browned a little bit. Give it a little bit of coating on it. Just take those out, give it a bit of a, just let them rest for a minute. So we get a big pan out. Give it a little squirt of olive oil. Get the heat on and we'll be right back. Okay, so we're back. What I'm going to do first of all is get my onions. We'll get our garlic. We're going to add our chicken back into the pan. So now I'm going to add the hot dogs. So now we're going to add some bit of tomato sauce. And add a little bit of stock. Add bay leaves. Okay, so we'll bring you back in a minute. Okay, so the it's simmering away lovely. I'm just going to add the carrots and potatoes. And we'll bring you back in a minute. Okay, so we're back. So I'm going to add the snap peas and our red peppers. Let's have a little taster. Okay. Bit of black pepper. And a little bit of salt. And we'll bring it back in a minute when it's done. Okay, so welcome back. What we've got is this is all done. Potatoes are nice and tender. Carrots are done. Chicken's going to be awesome anyway, and the peppers are just a little bit losing their crunch. So we'll have a little plate up. So we'll see you in a minute. Okay, so we're done. Chicken Afritada. Obviously we've got chicken. We've got hot dogs, carrots, potatoes, garlic, onions, peppers, and all that good stuff. A little bit of seasoning, and topped off with a little bit of spring onions. So don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Take it easy and stay safe. See you later, guys. Bye.